Day 3 inside the pool, and the pipe is no longer a problem. It's routed around the edge like that, and the other one is also cut in and routed around the edge. So problem solved, luckily. But here you go. So concrete will be starting soon. That is the plan. So, and yeah, these things are for the filters, these cutouts, or for the leaf catchers or whatever it is, something like that. Not sure why they got these cut over here for, but anyway, they know what they're doing. So that is current progress. It's getting there, but yeah, it's it's hard to imagine how much it's going to be built up at that end, because it will be over my head height. So yeah, because it slopes down obviously, and I think it's 1.8 meters at this end, something like that. That's the plan. Anyway, catch you next time.